All right, I wasn't watching the timer, guys, so I didn't see that it was about to end. My bad. So let's go mute everyone to be on the safe side as usual. Let's take a look at what's happening. So the XY minimum objective met. I like the fact that we close above this up candle here. So now, we have 2 minutes until 10 a.m. Do we or do we not? There's bullish breaker ideas. Yeah, this is bullish breaker ideas now. So consecutive down close candles running into liquidity, up candle before that, A plus breaker. Boom. And again on EU. So as I was saying before, I'm trying to not trade like that, like I used to trade, you know, stacking a whole lot of entries and doing more than I need to for this challenge, right? That's what I don't want to do. But if you guys are okay with the risk, then what's this? This is not a bad short. This is not a bad short. Shorting inside this candle here. Tag about 50%. That line, that wouldn't be a bad short. All right, London close coming in now. Let's see if we're getting any London close volatility. Okay. Going forward, I might just cut the risk on everything and take every one of them because this is a very nice 40-point move. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. That's a breaker too on EU, right? I guess you're asking EU. Yeah, I think this is a breaker as well. Fits the same definition. Consecutive up close candles, taking liquidity, down candle before. I like that. I like those breakers. I like those. And the fact that we have this FEG inside it. I like the idea of tagging and then pushing. NAS ranges are too wide. That's wild. Absolutely wild. I think that's Shadi again, so let me mute Shadi. Is this mitigation block on AU? So we have a high not taken by definition, by the ICT's definition of mitigation. That would be it, yes. That would be it. Yes. All right, so we have that run into the FEG. Now let's get some speed. So this is 10:02. Yeah, I think you can get in ready to fly. Let's see what it looks like on the M15 time frames. Man, it looked good. It looks good. I can appreciate it as a good trade if it plays out. Oh, this is not UCAD. What am I saying? That was the XY. They both look good. They both look good. I like this. I like it. I really do. Who's Davis? Davis is driving and trading. Don't do that, Davis. Don't do that. That's dangerous. That is dangerous. Caught between aggressive trading and conservative trading. That's what I'm looking at, Osborne. I'm looking at the potential for getting another entry here. I like that. Let's check on the pairs that we're trading. Look at EU, tapping that to the pip. Come DXY. Let's go. I like this for adding more than anything else. What about spoos? Should be the same as NAS. If we go to M5. Wait a minute. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. This actually looks like we could sell it. This actually looked, I actually like this sell, but it wasn't in my trade plan. It wasn't in my trade. Yeah, it wasn't in my trade plan. It wasn't in my trade plan, but this looks good. I wouldn't sell NAS below this, personally. Just my preference. UCAD looking good. Is EU retracing far? No, it's still at the same place. My eye is on UCAD, the potential for shorts. UCAD has the potential of maybe a 13, 15, 20 pip stop. I like UCAD, but what I don't like about UCAD is because of where it's at right now, my stop has to be below here. That. So on principle, I would demand an entry below here. And if it misses me and it flies, then that's fine. But this short also looks very nice. But we're down and we haven't taken any you can long, not short. My God. I like this. My only thing about not pyramiding any position is that we're down for the day and we haven't taken any profit. But I like it. I'm not indecisive, I'm just yeah, the trigger finger is really itching on this one. Let's see this on M5. Do a little bit of gymnastics and check some things here. Okay, let's say we did take EU again, right? Let's say we did take EU again. That's a 10 pip stop right there. That's a 10 pip stop right there. Bam. Bam. You not in premium. Yeah, I didn't think it was in premium, so I was looking at it. That's not my goal. My goal is not to promote quote unquote ninja trading. I just want to help you flip this. All right, so now this short is more attractive for me. This has been filled in. There's no lows inside here. So let's sell this and put the stop same place as the original stop, or yeah, let's sell that. Same lot size, 0.1. Sell it there. And that. There we go. We're going to allow 2 M5 candles to expand below here, or we think about reducing risk. M1 dealing range almost at 50%. Stop at the same area. It's at 0.9838. Tagged, tagged, tagged. Fine. UCAD lungs, man, just oof. Looking good. All right, I want to take UCAD lungs as well. So when I enter UCAD, no, 0.1. There we go. Stop at the big figure level, 1.37. And let's go for this high, wherever it is. That price is 3765. There. All right, so now the rules for entering multiple positions when we've taken a loss and we haven't taken any profit, right? Our open profit should not go below 50% of the loss that we took already. Cool? So if our open profit goes below or goes anywhere close to $15, we cut it and we walk away with a small loss on the day, and then that's it. All good, Ben. All good, Ben. Have a great day. It's better to have being realistic and trading every single day, even though we shouldn't trade every single day. You have to accept the potential that there are going to be losing days. Instead of avoid them, try to control them as best as you can. So we're down right now. We do have open profit. We could close and walk away at break even. If we did that, it would largely be emotionally based and not analysis based, because our analysis is playing out on all the pairs that we're looking at. So you have to accept the potential that today can be a small loss day. So we control the losses. Remember, once AU takes this, we go break even. Oh, this is why you want me to look at NAS. Whew. It looks nice. It does look nice. Okay, but why? Why do you want to take NAS longs? Because it's still bearish. Zoom on M1. Because it's like this sell, all right? If we take this sell, we'd have to be risking no more than $10. So at 20 points, that takes you roughly about 11.3. All right, 11.3 stop loss, 20 points, target 40 points on NAS is good. Okay. I want to take NAS, but I'm gonna allow NAS to miss me personally. If you want to take it, manage the risk. Someone said AUBE. Yeah, why not? Let's go break even on AU. 319. So most of the risk is already off the table. I think the only thing we have risk on now would be the open EU position right here. When it takes this low, we go break even. And depending on where we entered, I entered at 711, somewhere about here. This would be 20. 30 pips in, we take partials. So yeah, NAS is beautiful, but allow NAS to go, guys. Allow NAS to go. We're doing too much already. So just a reminder, the TP for EU is 0.98, big figure, and SL is 98738. Yeah, I like EU more. So just allow NAS to miss us, guys. Walk away from NAS. So get EU. EU floating 50 bucks. We're about $15 away from the daily objective. Okay, break even this EU position, please. So 575 SL. I entered at 575, so that's my break even. All right, so we should at the daily objective now. I'm floating 313. So, well, I was floating 313. But I pulled back. It's been a longer day than expected. Didn't expect 2 calls. I mean, NAS is fine. NAS is fine. I told you where I would have taken it and all that good stuff, but we're doing too much. We've taken about 5 trades today. Some of them was, not exactly in the plan. I am content that the mission that we're on today is another win on that mission. Yeah, everything should at BE, except UCAD. I think UCAD should be the only trade not at BE yet. Let me check on it. And no reason to not be at break even on UCAD. But again, we're at the daily objective, or we were at the daily objective. So we're going to take, since we're using 0.1s, we're going to take 0.7 off everything now. Everything is at break even, 0.7 off, especially EU, taking EU first, then AU. There we go. So 70% out of everything, 70% out of UCAD as well. I'll break even. I'm looking at 294 as my overall profit. I'm going to close the second EU position because that pushes me to, well, actually it doesn't. It doesn't really. Just know that we're above the target and nobody should be taking any losses below the target. So take off the first EU position. Take off the AU position. That puts me at 310, and I'm going to scale my stop loss So a little bit above break even to cover the commissions. So 575 was my entry. I'm going to put my stop loss at 570. So that should cover commissions. Seeing that I have UK at 142, I'm going to put my stop at 150. So commissions covered, and I have 2 positions open. I'll send you a picture of what those look like in the chat. There we go. And that's the history. We don't get pip drunk. We don't get excited when we win. We stick to the rules and we manage the trades. So good trade. Got about 30 points on that one. Good trade. We missed it. The process was outlined. We understand. We're good. We missed that. We got that. Nice 10 points on that as well. And that's all we look for. So I think that's a good place to end today's call. Talk in the group and enjoy the rest of your day. Like and subscribe, guys, you know, all the good things if I post this. Free money. Thank you for the free money.